Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you step by step how you can revoke an invitation to your workspace on monday.com in 2026. So let us dive into this. Step number 1, navigate to monday.com. Step number 2, from the home section top left, navigate to the workspace section here and select your workspace you would like to invite someone or cancel the invitation. So let's assume you have already invited someone by using that button here in the top right. What you will need to do, guys, to revoke the invitation if you accidentally sent it to the wrong person, you will need to click into your profile icon in the top right. From there, navigate to, let me find it, to administration tab here. Next, what you want to do is close the general tab and expand the directory tab here. And from the menu below, select users. So here you will see all members of your workspace with you probably at the top as the owner. So what you want to do, guys, is simply click into these three dots next to the username. And after that, select cancel invitation. Confirm. And that's it. Now I'm going to click cancel because I would like to keep the invitation active. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.